Hello friends, are you looking for a portfolio project in chatbot development, or you want to enhance your skill set by learning chatbot development? Then you are at the right place. In this video series, I will guide you through all the required steps to build a chatbot. In this video series, we will build a math quiz chatbot. We will start with an idea and then first develop a chatbot on Google Dialogflow. Then develop the backend for that chatbot in NodeJs. Deploy this backend on Render and then connect the chatbot to Telegram. The final product will look something like this. This is my demo math quiz chatbot. Let's start the conversation. So it will ask for a level to start the quiz on maths. Let's say I'm beginner, I'll say first level. Then it will ask one by one 5 questions, and then in the end it will show the result. So let me quickly go through all the conversation and show the final product as well. You can see here after 5 questions, it will show me my score and it will ask me if I want to start the quiz again. So this is what we are going to build in this video series. So watch this video series and all the episode of the video series as well. See you in the next part of the video series where we start building the chatbot. If you like my work, please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching. Peace.